to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Alright, welcome back to Funny Computer Up. So in this video I'm going to show you how to run Facebook and Instagram ads using your smartphone. Gone are those days when you need to have a personal system before you be able to run advertisement. Okay, so these are one of the things digital marketers use to perform ads for businesses and also for their works. All right, one of the main tools, which is the most important application that you need to get, is the what we call meta ads. Okay, but first of all you need to know that before you be able to run an ad, you must have a Facebook page. So in the last tutorial I showed you how to create a Facebook page for you. So if you don't know how to create a Facebook page, you can just go back to it, or you check the video on the description below. You're going to see a link on how to create a Facebook page, and then watch it first before you be able to go through and continue this training. Okay, so I'm going to go to my Play Store. Just go over to your Play Store and download this amazing application. I click on search, I click on meta, just click on meta ad manager. Can you see? I click on it. Can you see that is the first one showing here? Can you see meta ad manager? Can you see because I have it on my device already, that is why you are seeing update. Okay, so for you that is still new to it, obviously what you're going to see here is install. So you have to click here in order to install it down to your phone. So let's just go through this. So you can see just a little grip of how it is. Can you see? So with this amazing application, you can use it to manage your ads. You can also use it to set up your Facebook or Instagram ads from anywhere. Once you have your smartphone, you can just do that. You can also use it to check the results, how your ads is going, whether it's making progress or not. You can also use it to stop. Just know that you can use it to manage your ads, and also use it to track your spendings. You can also use it to fund your wallet, your Facebook ad account, and more things. Okay, so I don't want to update it, or let me just update it. Let me just click on update. But remember, in your own, what you're going to see here is install. So you're going to click on install in order to install it, so that it will be in your phone. So I've been able to update it, so it's just installing. So once it's through, I'm going to open my phone. Can you see? I can come here and click on open immediately, or look out for my piece meta. Can you see the app? Just click on it. Okay, so you're going to see the interface of this application. Okay, you can see up here, the first thing we are seeing here is is the settings icon. I click on it. This is where you're going to see all the pages, both your Facebook profile and also your Facebook page. Okay, so I have page here. I have this page. I have funny concept. This is my Facebook profile. So if you want to add more pages, if you want to look out for more pages, you can come here and search the page that you are looking for. Okay, let's say for example I have more than 10 pages here, so I have to search the name, then it will select the name for me. Okay, can you see a settings here too? If you click here, you're going to see more things, more settings. If you want to log out, you can log out. If you want to delete Facebook account, click on here to delete it from this meta ad. Okay, if you want to add fonts, I'm still going to do a separate video on how to add font, on how to fund your Facebook ad account. So from here you can click here and then add font, but that's not what we're going to do on this particular video right now. So I'm going to select this, depending on anyone that you want to select. This I select this my Facebook page. Now if you also want to add font to this, I click on billing and payment. Can you see? Okay, so let me still go back. So if it's this account that I want to use, I have to select it. Can you see, once I select it, can you see bidding and payment here? Okay, so even if I don't want to fund it, I just select it, then go back here. Can you see, it means that this is one I'm on. Okay, but if I don't want to be on this one, I want to be on this one, then I have to select it and then click on this star icon. Can you see, now is now on this particular one? Okay, so you have to select the one that you want to use to run the advertisement. Most of the reason why you select it is because anyone you select, it means that is the one you are going to use to do the expenses. Yes. Okay, let me explain more better. Let's say I select Funny Concept now. It means that I have to add money on Funny Concept, or I have to make sure that there is fund on Funny Concept so that I can be able to use it. Okay, so let me explain. The more reason I'm explaining this thing is that for you to know that the one you select here does not mean that is the exact page that you want to run ads on. Okay, no, it doesn't. It is not how it is. Okay, I can decide to select this now. Okay, can you see this Facebook page is Funny Concept. Remember, there is new Facebook page that we created, which I name it my personal name, Epiphania Chinechewem. Okay, I can decide to fund my meta ad on this page now. Then while setting up my Facebook ads, I can now select the page that I want. I can now select my page, which is that personal page, Epiphania Chinechewem. Do you see it now? So this will let you know that anyone that you select here does not determine the one that you're going to place ad on. Okay, I can decide to use this account now. Okay, then while setting up my Facebook ad, I can add a client Facebook page. Okay, let's say I want to run an advertisement for a company. Okay, I can decide to, I have to make sure that the company gave me access to manage their Facebook page. Okay, so once I've been able to have access to manage that company's Facebook page, then I can use my own account, fund the money on this account. Then while setting up the ad, I will now select the company's Facebook page. Hope this is very clear, right? Because I understand that in the previous training that we had on our 3 weeks digital skills training, so one of my students get confused on this, and he was able to ask questions which were I get out time to explain how it works to her. So that is more reason I'm creating more time to explain this for you that is watching this video right now. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I want to use this one, so I click on this bar. Okay, so this is the interface. Remember, I'm on Funny Concept. So below here, you can, even on this, I can decide to switch over. Okay, so I me to keep on clicking on this setting icon, I can click on this, and can you see this arrow that is here? I can click on this arrow here. If can you see, it will still bring up a list of accounts for me to select the one I want to use. I'm going back right now. So coming up here, you can see a bear icon. This is where you're going to see notifications. If Facebook has a message for you, let's say notification, or let's say an update, you're going to see it here. As you can see, there is no notification right now. Okay, can you see on read alert, anyone I want to check, I'll check it here. Okay, the next one is this plus icon. This plus icon is where you are going to click on if you want to set up an ad. Okay, if you want to set up an advertisement, okay, for your product or anything, click on the plus sign. Then it's now going to ask you what is your objective. Okay, setting up a Facebook ads, it's not just a one thing setup. Okay, before you set up a Facebook ad, you need to make sure that you know the reason why you want to run the ads. Okay, why you want to set up the ads. So there are many objectives. Objective is what is your more reason why you want to run the advertisement. So can you see here, I can select anyone I have. Can you see here we have quick create new. I can click on create new. Can you see create new? I'm on create new. Okay, I can say click and create from existing. Say these are objectives. The first objective we have here is engagement. It say engagement helps you to get more messages, video views, post engagement, page likes, and event response. Let's say for example now you make a post on Facebook and you want people to like the post, you want people to comment on the post, you want people to share the post, you want people to just react on the post. You can use engagement objective to promote that Facebook post. Okay, once you're able to use Facebook objective to promote the Facebook post, Facebook will show your post to people that can react to your post, people that can comment to your post. Okay, so that is for engagement. We have the other one. It says awareness. It says Facebook show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. Okay, let's say you are new, okay, in business. Let's say you are let's say you are a chef, okay, and you want to bring your business on social media. And let's say the name of your business is, let's say, Berry Chef or Berry Foods. Let's say for example, use it for example, Berry Foods. And it's obvious many people don't know about Berry Foods. Okay, so you can decide to create an awareness and say, okay, I want to create. You just create a post and then create an awareness so that people will know about your brand. You want people to know about your brand. Okay, so with this now, it's over. You don't want people to just react on your post, you don't want people to just comment, you just want people to know about your brand. So you have to select awareness, means that Facebook will show your ad to people that will remember it. Okay, there's a way you're going to make it so that people, once they see it, they'll be able to remember it, they'll be able to like it. It's not just them liking it just for liking thing, but rather for them to like your post. Remember that they actually love it and they will remember it anytime they see any of your videos or any of your posts. Then the next one is traffic. Traffic is when you want to send people to a specific destination. Let's say you have a website, you want people to come into your website and view your landing page and all that. Or let's say you have an application, maybe you created a new app and you want people to know about the application, you want people to download it and all that, to install it. Or let's say you have one particular thing that you want people to, you can try to send people to your WhatsApp, you want to people to just reach out to you on WhatsApp and all that. You see, you want to send traffic to your WhatsApp DM, we can decide to use traffic objective. The next one is leads. Leads is the one that helps you to collect people's data. Okay, it leads use say collect leads for your business or brand. Okay, we use leads if you want to collect people's, let's say, contact, email addresses and all that. Okay, many companies use it in order to build, if they want to build prospect, they will just make a post and promote it and make it to be a lead. Okay, they set it up as a lead. Okay, so that people will be able to enter their details, enter their contacts, enter their emails, so that they will now follow up those prospects with email marketing and just nurturing them with a lot of things. Okay, so that is for leads. Then the next one is sales. This is the one of the objective. This particularly is an objective that you can use, that you're going to use if you want to make sales immediately. Let's say you are into, let's say you are into one business or the other. What am I going to use? Okay, you are a chef. Let me use the same thing. You are a chef, but you also sell cooking equipment, for example, and you want people to buy, you want people to just see your advertisement and make payment immediately. So because of that, what you're going to use is sell objective. Okay, so Facebook will help to show your ad to people that are most likely going to make payment, even when they have not seen you, even when they don't even know you. Okay, that is for sales. Then last but not the least is app promotion. Maybe you create an app and you want to promote your app. You say people will help to find new people that will be able to install your app, and also not just installing it, they'll also be able to continue using it. So anyone that you want, you just select it. Let's say I want to use engagement, just select it. Can you see now? I'll click on manual, means I want to set it up manually by myself. Okay, so but we have to go back. I want to go back, say discard. I want to go back. So that is for this plus sign. Do you get it now? Okay, so coming down here, you can see this date. This is just a date for me to filter what I want to see. All these things that you're seeing here are my campaigns. These are my past ads that I've set up. So these are past advertisements, ads that I've set up. So anyone that I want to look out for, okay, I can decide to view these dates and status in order to get them immediately. Okay, I can click on date. I can say, okay, I want to see the ad that I set up, let's say last 30 days or last 30 days. Can you see it will not bring up all the ads that I've set up within the last 30 days? Okay, let me now click on this and say I want to see the ad that I've set up this month, or let me just say this week. Is obviously you're not going to see much here. Can you see? And here too, it shows that I've not been able to spend any amount this week. Can you see? Okay, let me now select last month. Okay, no, yes, last month. Okay, last 30 days. Can I see how much I have been able to spend? Okay, if I select on, if I just leave it, let me just say today, or let me say maximum. Okay, can you see? Okay, here on status, I can say, okay, I want to see all the ads that are active. I can select active. You obviously there is no active ad. Can you see? Can you say no campaign match your filter? So I can say, okay, I want to know the ads that are off. Obviously all my ads are off. Can you see? It will show all. I want to know ads that are deleted. You can see ads that I've been able to delete. Can you see? Okay, so that is for filtering. Okay, so these are the places. Let me still set this thing to be on all. Okay, so these are the places you are going to see all the ads that you have set. So if you have been able to set an ad now, you are going to see it here. Okay, it will be here. So on the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a Facebook ad. So just stay tuned, and if you're new to our YouTube channel and you're yet to subscribe, kindly smash the subscription button below this video, and don't just subscribe. Yes, once you have been able to click the subscription button, click on the bell that is beside the subscription button and make the bell to be on all. Okay, so the anytime we drop amazing tutorials, you will be notified. All right, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.